come here, you really are passionate about food. Like,
yeah, I think that's exactly what it is. This topic of conversation is always food. Always food.
No, we're just like, where are we gonna go eat food? What food can we make?
I think all of us have this like burning passion for food, and we all bring that to the table, and that's the best thing ever.
The instructors here at the CIA definitely prepare you for the real world.
It's very hands-on. It's very one-on-one with professors and chefs and teachers. It's very personal, and that's what I really like about it.
Like, this is the best school to come for.
And you realize, I have a lot of different options just by being at the school.
My career goal is to go into food media when I graduate.
I decided to go study culinary science.
When I graduate from the CIA, I hope that I can go into nutrition.
I would like to see myself in a position of management.
10 years from now, I see myself running a successful restaurant group and working every day in a business that I love.
CIA was the one place where everything fit just right. For the first time, I definitely felt like I belonged here. And so if all these peers all have the same ideas and passions as you, and it's awesome to be here. I love it every day. I'm just so happy to be here.